Let me make sure all this is hooked up because, oh yeah. Definitely fixing to get built. What are you hooking to over there? SK Tools, if you want to save 25%, use code It's Just a 6 at checkout. It was the tire slipping, but the clutch was probably also slipping. All right, guys, so I was on my way to work and noticed that the car started smoking. So pulled over, shut it off, and noticed that it looks like we've got a little bit of oil over on this side valve cover. I checked the scanner and it said cylinder 8 misfire. Might not have torn anything up, but might have. There we go.
Hey, buddy.
What's up, dude? SK Tools, if you want to save 25%, use code It's Just a 6 at checkout. You got a 7 in here? Oh, yeah.
Oh, you almost had it.
Yeah, bigger and better things. Now I will be able to race your slow Z01. If you want to follow the build of this car, because it's definitely fixing to get built. What are you hooking to over there? Oh, man. All right, we're gonna crank it up again just to see if we can spin around or see if we might can hear anything. Why is it burning oil though? Cylinder 8's gotta be gone. All right, guys, so we did see that there was a little bit of oil on cylinder 7 spark plug, and there was a lot of oil on cylinder 8. We have the gauge hooked up to cylinder 8 right now, and we're about to turn it over and see how much compression it holds. That's not good. Let me make sure all this is hooked up because, oh yeah. That's what it's supposed to look like there. Alright guys, so as you can see, we've made a lot of progress on the car. Obviously we have it up in air because I'm about to pull the transmission out of it. But we have the driver's side head off because the damage is in cylinder 8 right there. None of the other cylinders are really that bad. All of them held a compression fine, except 7 had a little bit of problem, but it still doesn't really even look that bad. Real quick, before I get under the car and start taking the transmission out, I want y'all to see. So you can see the cylinders kind of scratched right there on the side. And then there is a piece. Can't really see it too well, so we'll just show y'all when we have the motor out and have it on the stand. Alright guys, so as y'all saw also in the last video, when we were driving around a little bit, Ian mentioned something about the tire slipping. it was the tire slipping, but the clutch was probably also slipping.
Okay,
you can see.
Hold on. I'd like to
What?
point out that I said tire slipping.
You did
in the
say
video,
both.
But I said
You cut it
both,
out.
and I edited out.
You did edit it out.
I didn't want to.
Well, because it didn't feel like clutch slip. It felt like the tires because the car kind of shimmied sideways. But the clutch was probably slipping as well. Looking.
So they didn't say that in the last video because I edited it out.
Well, they still saw that something was slipping.
Yeah.
They still saw something was
But they
slipping.
didn't hear
Anyway.
me say it. Anyway.
Right. But yeah, so this is still a stock clutch. Oh, should we? No, we'll go over that in the clutch video. We'll talk about all that. This is still a stock clutch. This is still a stock clutch. But it's worn. There's hot spots on the clutch, and then the flywheel also has hot spots all the way around it. So we're just gonna get like a McLeod probably. I don't know. I hadn't really decided on a clutch yet. There's way too many different options. But one that comes with a lightweight flywheel and everything, and probably a twin disc. I don't know. That'll be later. Anyway, we gotta change the clutch. We're gonna go ahead and get the motor and put it on the stand. Good thing
I hope we're not reusing it.
All right, guys, so this is cylinder 8 right here. You can see there's a piece of the piston missing. So it leaned out, we burnt the rings, and then it just, if I would have kept driving, probably would have eventually melted the whole piston.
And drop it down and let's look at the cylinder wall. Because the cylinder wall's pretty bad.
But we've got a little bit of scorning here on the side. And then, can you really see that?
Yeah,
Kind of.
see it.
You can see all the scratches right there. And then up right here, there's, oh, I didn't realize that was really that bad. That's pretty bad, huh?
Hey, you can see it perfectly right here.
You see it right there?
Yeah.
But I guess we're gonna start taking, well, first we're gonna roll it over and get rid of all the fluids inside the block. And then we're gonna start taking this head off and just getting everything ready to be taken up to the machine shop.
The following day.
All right, guys, so we just got the motor dropped off at the machine shop. That's gonna be about a month or so before we see it back. So while we're waiting on that, we're gonna do a couple other things to the car, but that's gonna be it for this video, guys. So make sure you stay tuned and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of the other videos.